how to change mobile number in Western Union. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into your profile. After logging in the Western Union, you have to navigate to your profile setting. Just see in the top right corner, you will get to see this profile symbol. So just simply click on that. Now you have to search for edit your information. Choose the option to edit your profile. Now look for edit profile or similar option on the right side menu. Just scroll down a little bit, you will get to see the update your mobile phone number. Right now, I haven't added any mobile number, so I'm not able to see. But if you have added mobile number in the Western Union, you will get the option of update your phone number. Now just simply click on that. You will get to see this kind of interface. Just simply add your new mobile number. After adding mobile number, just click on save button or update to confirm the change. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.